My name is Mark Radford. I'm the Executive Director of the Queensland Eye Institute in Brisbane, Queensland. Actually, my original training was in psychiatry, but I've always been interested in the relationship between the eye and the brain, especially the role that the eye and the optic nerve may have in triggering neurochemicals in the brain and therefore our mood and behavior. AVR has made numerous contributions to the field of ophthalmology. Probably the three for me that are the most important are first, raising awareness of the importance of ophthalmic research within the specialty, but secondly, providing funding for initial research ideas that can lead to grant applications, especially larger applications from bodies such as NH and MRC. And thirdly, I think AVR has made a contribution by giving younger researchers a chance to conduct research themselves. All three have played an important role in our field. For me, there is a lot of exciting work currently happening in ophthalmology. First of all, I think the advances of imaging, the retina, and its relationship to the early detection of Alzheimer's disease and dementia is very exciting and very important. Secondly, I think the new work that is looking at the role of sunlight, photoreceptors, and affective disorders such as anxiety and depression are shedding a whole new understanding on the relationship between what we see, what we experience through our eyes, and what we feel. Third, and for me, an important one, is the increasing interest in the role of registries and the use of registries to better understand diseases, their diagnosis, management, and treatment. Finally, the new area of artificial intelligence, AI. The role of AI in both clinical care and research is going to be very, very important. The advantages of AI, but also the challenges and the concerns need a lot of thought, but I believe will make a huge difference to ophthalmic research. While not directly a research initiative, I think AVR has a very important role in encouraging collaborations, especially collaborations that involve trainees and students and young clinicians in the research project, of generating interest in ophthalmic research, and also trying to generate more collaborations between clinicians and non-clinical researchers. I think you're right, and I think this is what AVR is very good at. AVR is helping to spread the word and getting people to ask questions and to think about why we're doing research. And once you start thinking about why we do it and then start to understand what the potential outcomes are, that's when real difference starts and where each of us does make a difference. And I think getting people to talk about it is the first step and probably one of the most important steps in the process. Supporting vision research means saving sight, pure and simple. With about 80% of blindness being preventable or treatable, an investment in research has a significant and real return. As a donor, you are making a real difference. You are an important part of the team that is saving sight. Leaving a bequest means leaving a legacy. The best people who can support ophthalmic research are those who understand what this means. Clinicians, researchers, as well as those suffering from eye diseases. As a researcher, as a clinician, we are particularly attuned to what a difference the work we do makes. When we get involved with leaving a bequest, we're getting involved with helping further the work that we have started and sharing with a broader community why we did that work, why it's important, and why it needs to continue.